Hello, everyone over there at Christensen Inspections and Home Maintenance. Hi, my name is Charles. Um, the reason I'm making this video today is I saw that we're in the same group on Alignable. So you're offering this 5% on regular prices, and I thought, this is interesting. Let me look at the website. I couldn't really tell what this picture was, so I came over here and I took a look at your website. And me being who I am, I do this, for companies. I just thought I'd give you a few free tips that can help you get more customers actually using your site. Um, yeah, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing is content. Content is everything here that's on your page. All the text, the images, believe it or not, even you see if I do save as, I know what your images are saved as, this random string of of numbers and letters. Yeah, so to optimize with Google so that it you become relevant in searches, So let's say someone is in Cedar City, Utah, and looking for home inspections, they'll probably type something like, home inspections Utah, and hopefully you'd come up here because people will click or at least call the numbers that they see, especially on the map. A lot of people do that, and also if you're one of the top um, sites in the search results, people will also click. And this is all about getting you more and more customers. So make your site more relevant for Google and for the searches that people may take. Now, to optimize with Google, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page, which means text showing exactly who you are, what you do, um, uh, locations you serve, just showing that you're authority on the subjects that you talk about, and basically the services that you talk about in the locations that you talk about. It's important to include different keywords, and keywords are these phrases that people type into Google. For example, home inspections Utah, home inspector salary, etc. So include good relevant keywords. That would take a bit of research to see what people are actually typing to look for your services. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations have more to do with this map pack area here. Oops, this area right here. Now, citation is anywhere on the internet on online directories that your name, address, and phone number are cited on different directories. And by different directories, I mean directories like Yelp, um, um, yellowpages.com, superpages.com, Bright Local, etc. Different directories, even um, Yandex, Yext has a service that lists you on various directories. As long as they are relevant to your business and authoritative, then you'll start to rise higher and higher in this area here, the map pack area. Last thing I want to talk about has more to do with these results here, the organic search results, and it's backlinks. Now, backlink is where a different website links to your website, giving you traffic. There are tools out there that you can use to find out the backlinks that your competitor has. For example, you might wonder why is this person top here? So I'll take a copy and I'll paste it into here. This tool is called Ahrefs. Um, s- there's a pretty high monthly subscription for it, but as a SEO, his website, digital marketing person, I have a subscription for it, so you can actually take a look at backlinks and find out all the backlinks that your competitors have, and then just duplicate that onto your site. Make sure you have as many backlinks and higher in relevancy. Also, the DR means domain rating. So one last thing I wanted to show is the organic keywords. I clicked on it before because this way you can see what Google catches your competitor for, what kind of keywords, and you can also find out the search volume. For example, home inspection Utah, 350 people search for that every month, and they get on average 100 people going to their sites just because of that one keyword. So as you begin to optimize your site, make sure you're thinking about content, about 1,000 to 1,500 words authoritative content, include keywords that have higher search volume. Citations, make sure you get a lot of citations, and backlinks. Get more and more relevant backlinks, and you'll start to rank higher and higher in these searches and start to see more clients coming in. Some other suggestions I'd say just for your business are automating, different, especially client review campaigns. That's really good for your Google My Business page. You start to rank higher and higher and here, the higher quality and higher number reviews that you have. And definitely maybe start campaigns on Facebook as well. Facebook advertising, targeting your the regions that you serve. And I would definitely start if you have a database of clients or potential clients, have a database reactivation campaign of texts and emails, etc. Obviously, I'm mentioning these things because we offer them, but um, if you don't want to discuss us working together, no harm, no foul. Just take these tips, and I hope to see you grow your business. Thank you.